Say today is my birthday. I don't know, say. My 31st birthday, you know. My blood clot. Me I get old, you know. Rascal. I want me there, though. Before me go party and enjoy myself like the young people, them. I don't know if you do, go party and enjoy myself. You know me there, they do. But there they go, Yeah, man, I do this me at the for my 31st birthday. For my 31st, yep. Oh, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. That's right.
Birthday to you.
Oh, I have to blow it out. Myself. Yeah, 31st birthday, you know. Getting old, you know. I'm here. It's your boy Danny British. I'm enjoying Sony. You know what I'm saying? Spiked. You feel me what I'm saying? No. You have to give thanks to life and what come with it, you know? Yeah, man. So that's what I doing right now. That is what I doing right now. I giving thanks to life and what come with it. My earth strong. Yes, man. Ain't it a beautiful thing? Ain't it a beautiful thing? It is a beautiful thing. Life is a beautiful thing. Ooh, you have to fix me like my money organized and I write them all over the place. Yeah, all over the place. Are you want to fix man? Are you out of bounds? Yeah. You want to fix too? You want to fix too? Yeah, buddy. Life is a beautiful thing. Give thanks to life, you know? Doctors give I 2 weeks to live, you know? When I'm a $4 band, I need $1 to make $5. I like when I have need a solid 5 or 10. I need $1, buddy. Let's see if I can find $1. Good. $1 there. Things rough on the dollar, them, bro. Give me $1, bro. I have to go beg $1. I have to go on the road, go beg $1. I ain't gonna beg you $1. Anyway, take care of yourself. See what me have to do for the rest of the day. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, ain't no playing. 31st birthday and I'm outside where the bugs live. Yeah. Faragama stuck in a me chinchilla. Filet mignon for my dinner. Ooh, that's right. That's right.
My birthday was fun. Thanks, babe. Yeah. Amazing.